So one of the highest challenge I hear from you people is that you have so many products, but you are not able to have sales for your products. And why are you not able to have sales? Because you cannot drive traffic to your products. So in this video, I want to walk you through how you can drive traffic to your products. We hear all the time on the online space that many people are making money with AI, and maybe you've been hearing and you really don't know how people are making money with AI. You use ChatGPT, maybe you are using it just to type emails, to edit. So Overcomer, it is more than that. I just want you to watch this video. Everything in this video was done with AI. Joseph's breakthrough came because he was prepared. He grew, served, and developed his gifts even in prison. In your waiting season, prepare for the change you want to see. Keep your faith strong and feed your spirit with God's promises. Use this time to develop your skills and sharpen your gifts. Don't waste the waiting. Let it be preparation. Stay grateful, forgive others, and keep your heart pure. When your opportunity comes, you'll be ready to step into it with excellence. God is about to do something unexpected and sudden. Stay in faith, keep preparing, and get ready. Your breakthrough is closer than you think. The palace is ahead. Don't give up now. Your greatest days are still to come. Maybe today you feel overwhelmed by challenges, like Joseph in the pit or prison, but your present struggle is just one scene in a bigger story. Tough times don't last, but tough people do. Every day you choose hope and perseverance. You're building strength for your future. God is using this season to prepare you for greater things. So now that you've seen this video, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you how to make. And I'm going to be showing you how you can use that to be able to make money on the online space. I've shown you in this video how I was able to make more than $20,000 in 2 weeks just because I use things like this. I use AI just like this, Overcomers. So the first thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to come here and I'll paste a prompt that I've written. So I want to use Joseph's story, Joseph in the Bible. I'm just showing you as an example to say that the challenges that he went through, right? How this story can help you on your financial journey. So I'm asking ChatGPT to create a prompt for me with people who are going through financial struggles, financial challenges in mind, right? And that these people, they want to be able to make money. ChatGPT should use this idea to write a script for me, and then in a way that it will give them hope and it will give them a way out. Now, let's say, for example, your niche is about people who are losing weight. Then you are also going to do it in that way. Let's say your niche is maybe parents who are struggling with their children, maybe parents who are struggling with one thing or the other, maybe any challenge that you are talking about, that's how you are going to write it. Now, I want you to know that every time when you are doing something on the online space, or you are trying to make a video like this, or you are producing a product, you want to be able to answer a question. You want to be able to give solution to people. Because if somebody is watching your video, they are actually paying with their time, right? But sometimes because they are not using money, you don't know that they are paying. They are paying with their time. So you want to be able to give them value so that when they spend that time on your video, they come out with some solution. And so now I've made this here. What I'm going to do is that I'm just going to click enter, and ChatGPT is going to write this script for me. Now, when ChatGPT write this script, it's just a prompt. I'm going to take this prompt now. I'll just come here and I'll copy it just like this, and I'll copy. Now we are going to go to the next step. So now I want you to know that ChatGPT is free. InVideo, that's what we are going to be using. This is InVideo right here. If you don't know about these tools, I'm going to put them in the description box down below. So go ahead and check them out. If you don't have an account, you can go ahead and create an account. And InVideo, you can do this completely for free. So I'll encourage you to actually test it. But in order for you to post it on social media, there's going to be a watermark, so you need a paid subscription for you to be able to post it on social media and make money from it and get monetized. So now what we are going to do is that I'm going to paste my script here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to say here that InVideo should use this as a script. I want to make a YouTube video that is going to be about 5 minutes. So I'm just going to put this here. The reason is because I have to give this time just so that I don't want to make it too long, right? Because if it's too long, it's going to take so long for us to before we finish. So now I'm going to come here. This is the secret. I'm going to come here. You see where we have AI twins. I'm going to click here. So I've already recorded my avatar here. So what I did is that I took 1 minute. I sat like this in front of the camera and I recorded the video and I put it here. So I have 2 videos here. Let me take one. I'm just going to take one of the videos and then I'm going to continue. So it's the same thing. So when I record it, you tell InVideo, you tell InVideo AI that you give them permission to be able to use your voice and your avatar. So they are going to clone your voice and your avatar, and you are going to see. I'm sure you already saw how the results was. It's so amazing. So I want you to tell me in the comment section if that actually sounded like me. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to come here and I'm going to click on generate my video. So what will happen is that InVideo is going to take its time, it's going to study this script, and then it's just going to use its own AI to generate this video for you. It's going to generate the script, and then guess what will happen? So InVideo is going to use my voice, and InVideo is going to use my face. Then it's also going to use stock footages to be able to generate this complete video for us. Overcomer, you don't need to spend so much time to do this, and let nothing stop you. Now when you come here, you see it's asking what is my audience. So it gives us 3 examples based on the script that I had submitted. Now we have 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes. So if you want to make it 10 minutes, then you are also going to put it when you are generating your script. That's the easiest way that I found. Now if you want it for YouTube, Instagram, for short videos, you can also make any choice that you want here. So now, yes, we want stock medias, and then I'm just going to come here. I'll just allow everything like this, and then I'm going to click generate. Guess what will happen? InVideo is going to now generate our video for us. So overcomers, InVideo is done generating our video. So let us now see. Look at what it looks like. Hello, Overcomer. Welcome back to Overcomer Daily Manna with Delphine. If you feel like you've done everything right, but your breakthrough still hasn't come, remember, your delay is not your denial. So you can see how the video is. Let me know in the comment section if it really looks like me. Let me know what you think about this. So now the good thing about it is that when everything is done, you can come here. You see where you have this edit. You can come here, click on edit. You can edit the script. You can edit the music. Like if the music is too high, you can edit the music. You see how the media here, you can edit any of them. So let's say, for example, let's say media. I want to edit the media. I want to change anything here. I'm just going to come. Let's say I click here, for example. I'm going to come here. If you want to upload your own unique media, let's say it's something that you were traveling and you were talking about your travel, you can go ahead and upload all those videos here. If you want to upload stock footages, you just come here, and then you can come here, take any stock footage that relates to whatever thing that you are talking about, and then you are going to put it there. And you can also come here and just search. Let's say, for example, I want to talk about any specific thing. I've just typed something here that woman delay. I don't even know what that is, but I'm just going to show you. You see how it now brings many different things. So maybe it's talking about a woman who feels like she's delayed. Now I'm just going to click here, and it's going to replace that stock footage here. So that is how it works. And now you can go ahead and change anyone that you want. And when you are done, you just go ahead and come here and apply. You just come here, and then you go ahead and you apply it. So you see that you can make any change that you want. Now, when you are done with everything, you can just come here and then you click save. So when you click save, it's going to go ahead and save everything on your video. If you want to reduce the volume, right, you go ahead, you come here, you change the volume. You can tell InVideo to reduce the volume. If you want to make any change that you can imagine, you can go ahead and make that change. So, and now another good thing is that if I want to make it into a different language, right, Overcomers, I'm just going to come here and I'll say do it in French. Now I've just asked InVideo to translate this video into French, and you are going to see what will happen. InVideo is going to translate this same video into French. So that is how you can take the same content and then you make different languages, and now you are able to post them on different platforms. So Overcomers, let nothing stop you. Let nothing hinder you. You don't need to necessarily use your face. You can use an avatar to do exactly the same thing if you don't want to show your face on social media. The only reason why I'm showing you this is to show you how simple it is. And if you can use your face and it looks like me, then imagine if you are using an avatar. So let's go ahead and play the French version, and then we are going to hear how it goes. Bonjour vainqueurs, bienvenue à Overcomer Daily Manna avec Delphine. Si vous avez l'impression d'avoir tout fait correctement, mais que votre percée n'est toujours pas arrivée, rappelez-vous que votre délai n'est pas un refus. Aujourd'hui, nous allons nous plonger dans l'histoire de Joseph, pas seulement les événements, mais la sagesse et la stratégie de son attente. Plongeons-nous dans cette parole. Dieu peut vous donner un rêve, puis vous conduire dans l'adversité. La promesse de Joseph était réelle, même quand son processus était douloureux. La fosse n'a pas annulé la prophétie. Parfois, le délai est une formation, pas une punition. Demandez à Dieu, que m'enseignes-tu dans tout cela? Le processus est une préparation à la promesse. So overcomers, if you are struggling in any way, I've created a community and I'm going to put the link down below. If you need any extra help, in that community we meet 2 times a month and then your questions can easily be answered. Sometimes people are struggling on their own, they don't know where to go, but if someone has gone ahead of you, they can easily help you to answer the questions that you are asking, right? So you don't need to get stuck, you don't need to remain at the same position, you don't need to, sometimes we do the same thing over and over, or we start and we don't finish. That's the highest challenge that I see many people doing. Like you start something today, you don't finish, the next day you start, you get to a roadblock, then you stop, and then after that you are challenged again, you start, but you just keep going round and round the cycle. So overcomers, if you are interested to become a part of that community, the link is going to be down below. So you can go ahead and join the community and I'm going to help you there with any of your struggles. Of course, if you have any difficulties, you can always send me an email and any information that you need is going to be in the description box down below. So how do you now use this to make money? I want you to know that before you do this, don't just see me making a video on Joseph's story and then you go ahead and you do exactly the same thing word for word. You need to take this idea now and apply it to your own niche. So you can create a digital product just as I've shown you step by step how to create a digital product. Now you can also do affiliate marketing just as I've shown you in this other video how to do affiliate marketing. Now when you have your products, how do you now sell them? You now create content that is related to your products, right? Now when people watch that content, they are going to be able to click on your product and that is how they are going to buy. So that is one way for you to be able to make money on the online space. So if you have a product and you are not driving traffic to that product, nobody will be able to buy that product. And that is the secret. So many people have created so many products, but they are not making any sales with those products. One of the highest challenge that I hear from you guys is that you make so many products, but you don't have sales for those products. I want you to go ahead and click on this next video that is going to walk you through step by step how to create your digital product, and you are going to follow this strategy to be able to start making sales on your products. So I'm going to see you in that video. Love you all so much.
Even now, when time has passed, I owe you all, 'cause I could not bring myself to try.